Well, hello, hello, and good morning. Good morning. This is Dr. Yonnette coming to you with another episode of Read Time with Baby. Well, today is so cold. It's freezing cold down here. I think it's about maybe in the teens. So I am warmly dressed and snuggled up this morning with a book. How is it down your way or up your way? How is baby AJ doing? Baby Dominic, baby Mary or Jane? How are they enjoying books and reading and having a fun time growing and developing? We have just started a new month, and I want us to focus on the things that are highlighted in the month of February. Yes, you are right. It's Black History Month. So today I am going to share with you a book by this man that talks about this man, Martin Luther King Jr. The book is written by Will Moriah, and we are going to have fun going through the pages. Yes, it's a little older. The book is for older children, but it is awesome. It helps you understand who you are if you celebrate Black History Month, why it is celebrated, and how you can achieve your dream or contribute to your environment. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. This is the front of the book. Of course, both sides would give you the cover. This is the front, this is the back, and we are going to open the book and start our story. Here are some pictures to help you better understand what the words mean. When we think of heroes, we think of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was an African American man who worked hard to make life better for all Americans. Dr. King was born in Atlanta, Georgia in 1929. He was a very smart child. He finished high school earlier than his classmates. In college, Dr. King decided to become a minister. A minister is someone who teaches people about God. All his life, Dr. King saw that many African Americans were treated badly just because they were black. This kind of treatment is called racism. There was a lot of racism in the United States at that time. African Americans were not allowed to shop in the same stores as white people. African American children were not even allowed to go to the same schools as white children. Dr. King spoke to large groups of people and told them racism was wrong. He led peaceful marches through the streets. In 1963, he talked to more than 250,000 people in Washington, D.C. He said the words, "I have a dream." Dr. King's dream was to end racism. Those words became very famous. Many people did not like Dr. King. They sent him letters saying that they hated him. Someone even threw a bomb into his house. Dr. King was brave. He never stopped trying to end racism. He asked the government to pass laws to help African Americans. In 1964, the United States passed a new law. It was called the Civil Rights Law. The Civil Rights Act, actually, the Civil Rights Act said that African Americans had to be treated the same way as everyone else. Dr. King spent the rest of his life trying to end racism. He was shot and killed in 1968 by someone who did not agree with him. Millions of people all over the world cried for him. Today, we celebrate a holiday named for Dr. King. Martin Luther King Jr. Day is celebrated on the third Monday of January. On this day, we remember Dr. King's dream to end racism. We also remember to try to make his dream come true. Here are some words that you learned from our book today. Government, hero, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, minister, I have a dream speech, Martin Luther King Jr., peaceful marches, racism. The end. Did you like this book? I like this book. It was very informative. So, moms and dads, what's your dream for your child? To become a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, an architect, a basketball player, a coder, a construction manager, a businessman, a minister, a man or woman of honesty, a dependable person? Well, dreams do come true, and you need to start building those dreams from infancy. How do you build those dreams? Or building the pathway to achieve those dreams? One way you can do that is by providing opportunities for your child to read information on topics of interest and saturate his or her mind with the knowledge that he or she will need to achieve their dream. I am so pleased that you joined me this Saturday morning for Read Time with Baby. And I'm excited about the successes that you are having, the experiences that you are having reading with your child. Send me a text, send me a message, Skincare Explosion with Dr. Yonnette, and let me know how things are going. Send me your pictures, your questions and concerns, and let us together collaborate to help raise the next generation of successful children. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.